How to add location on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add location on your OnlyFans account. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com and press enter to search it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page after logging in, here at the left side you will find various options. Click on this My Profile option from the left side and then you will be taken to your profile information sector. Here click on this edit profile option. Now from here you will be able to edit your profile. Just scroll down and there you will see location option. Click on this box. After entering your location, now click on this save option at the top. After clicking on it, wait for a while and there you go. You have successfully added location on your OnlyFans application. In this way you can add location on your OnlyFans account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.